Students of 8th standards in NCERT mathematics. We have started exercise 1.1. In that, question number 1 and question number 2. In question number 1, using appropriate properties, we have simplified it. In question number 2, additive inverse, we have seen if it is negative then it will be positive, if it is positive then it will be negative. Now question number 3, we'll see verify that negative into negative x is equal to positive x. So we'll start here. First of all, x is equal to 11 by 15 is there. So to the LHS, minus into minus x is there. So we'll put the value here, minus 11 by 15, negative positive, so 11 by 15. So minus in bracket minus x is equal to x, you can write is equal to positive x. Second, in this way, proper method is what? LHS we have written in this way, then RHS is equal to x. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. In this form, you should write. Second is x is equal to negative 13 by 17. So again, LHS minus in bracket minus x, minus in bracket minus 13 by 17, positive 13 by 17. RHS is equal to x. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. See here properly what they have told. Negative in bracket negative x is equal to x. X we have taken as minus 13 by 17 and minus into in bracket minus x. Actually minus it will be positive, but here x is minus 13 by 17. Yes, no, minus x they have used. So what you have to do in this, again one time negative x you have to take. Actually negative x, negative positive, it will be positive into negative is negative. Actually negative x means what? Here you might have been confused. Just pay attention again one time. This is was okay, but here problem is there. First of all, we'll find minus x here. Minus x is minus in bracket minus 13 by 17, then positive 13 by 17. Now we will take LHS. Minus in bracket minus x, so minus in bracket, so 13 by 17, you will get minus 13 by 17. That is RHS is equal to x. Now this and this both are same, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so don't be confused in this. Now next is find the multiplicative inverse of following. What is multiplicative inverse? First of all, we'll see product of the fraction and its reciprocal. If we'll get 1, then you can say it is multiplicative inverse. In multiplicative inverse, signs will not change. Only numerator will go downside to the denominator and denominator will go upside to the numerator. In that, first is minus 13. So its multiplicative inverse will be what? Minus 1 by 13. Second, minus 13 by 19. Actually, if you are not understanding this, minus 13 means minus 13 by 1. Its multiplicative inverse means minus 1 by 13. So we got this. Minus 13 by 19. Its multiplicative inverse will be negative, will be as it is, positive sign will be as it is. Just denominator will go upside and numerator downside. Okay. Next is 1 by 5. Its multiplicative inverse, denominator will go upside, numerator downside. You might see in exam will be always confused in multiplicative inverse and additive inverse. In additive inverse only sign changes. Numerator and denominator will not change. In multiplicative inverse, sign will be as it is. Only numerator and denominator will change. So question number 4, see, minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. First of all, simplify it. negative negative positive, 5 3 is 15, 7 8 is 56. It's multiplicative inverse. Now denominator will go upside and numerator downside. Oh. Next is question number 5th. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. First of all, simplify it. Positive 2 by 5 will get its multiplicative inverse will be 5 by 2. 6th, minus 1 is there. Its multiplicative inverse sign will not change, and dividing by 1 means it will be 1 only. So in this way we have seen this. Now question number 5th. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. So first of all, we will see this one. Under multiplication they have told. I will write the question. Many students, I think so, they have not purchased the book, so I will write for them this question is equal to minus 4 by 5. See properly. Minus 4 by 5 is there, into 1 is there, and 1 into minus 4 by 5 is there, is equal to minus 4 by 5 is there. Now here actually here one property is there, that is commutative. Y means A into B is equal to B into A. This is also there. Again one property is there for this. Which property it is? If you'll multiply to the 1, instead of using this directly, you can write commutative property. Commutative property is okay. For the identity also, it is one type of identity also. So for this you can write one is the multiplicative identity. See, actually in before 2 videos before I have told about the identity of 1 and 0. So in this any number multiplied by 1 will be the same. So it is 1 is the multiplicative identity, or you can use as what you call commutative also, because A into B is equal to B into A. So it is like commutative property also. Okay, so remaining we'll see tomorrow. Thank you very much.